Hey there guys, my name is Chad. Been an online entrepreneur, as you say, for about 5 years now. And what I specialise in is professional videos for companies. Really simple, really easy setup. Took me a long time to set everything up actually. So if you're looking to work from home and make easy money, I know it's hard, everyone's out there at the moment with this coronavirus, no one can really go to work. What better way to be, coronavirus proof, as I say, so you don't have to worry about money. So there's a website that many of you might have heard of. It's called Fiverr.com, and basically Fiverr.com offers micro gigs. And I call them gigs because I call them mini jobs. And basically it's where you hire somebody to do a small job, like whether you like a professional in like creating logos, doing videos such as myself, if you're a singer, a rapper, a writer, the list is endless, to be honest with you. So if you're looking to make a steady, easy income from home, I highly recommend that you go pay them a visit today. It's very easy to set up an account. Like I said, what I do professional videos. So I have a setup, I have a lighting system, I have a green screen, and it didn't really cost a lot to set up, to be honest with you. Probably under £1,000 to set everything up. Easily, probably about 7 to 8, give or take, but it was very cheap, and you have to do it right. You can't be, there's no cheap way. Like you can do things cheap, but you're going to get cheap results. You're not going to get the results that you're looking for. Like you have to spend a little bit of money to make some money. That's how it works in the world. So if you want a good quality video, you can spend between 200 to 300 on Amazon, get yourself a semi-good camera, like 1080p quality. The camera that I'm using now is a Canon. It's 1080p. It's not bad. Does the job, You can go on eBay. You can pick up lighting for your videos to make them vibrant, just like this one. You can pick up lights for about £20 to £30. Really cheap. Again, really cheap. You're going to probably need like 2 of them though. That's probably what I would use. And then like a green screen. If you like doing green screen videos, they're very effective. That was my phone, sorry. Green screens are very effective because obviously you can change the background, and people really like them in videos as well. It makes them look really professional. But one thing I recommend, that I made this mistake, honest mistake because I was new. I would not, if you're going to do videos for companies, like if you're going to do reviews and stuff like that, don't do fake reviews because it's against Fiverr's policy. I would do real reviews. If you're going to do reviews, go and check out the product, look at it, examine it, and then just give an honest opinion on what you thought. Those are fine. If you're going to do unboxing videos, which is another thing that I do, again, don't do fake unboxing videos. You're just going to get either banned or your gig will be taken down. Like I said, get over to Fiverr.com. I'll give you my link below. You can pay it a visit, check it out, have a search and see what kinds of services that they have and what you can do. Obviously if you're, like I said, a singer, a writer, you're very creative, have a look through the list, and then just sign up. It's very simple to sign up, but as I was saying earlier, like it's very simple to create a setup like what I've got. It's below £1,000, like I said, probably between 7 to 8. You don't need high-tech equipment. You hear a lot of people talking about, oh, you need the best camera, the best this, the best this. You don't. You just need to have a semi-good camera that's affordable. You need a decent laptop so that when you're video editing your videos, you can You can do cutscenes, you can add effects, stuff like that. Anything that you can use to make your videos professional. But yeah, you'll start to notice people will come back and they will order from you, and also obviously try and get it done within a short amount of time as well. You can't afford to have lateness when you're doing like services for people. You can't be like 3-4 days late because people won't come back. You need to get it done within 24 hours. If you're going to say you're going to do it in 24 hours, get it done within 24 hours. Don't wait 3-4 days for it. Always be in communication with your buyers. Customers love communication. You know, especially if you've spent a couple of hundred, say you spent a couple of £100 on a service like a logo design, and you want it done for like £40-50. You know, you're going to want to be in contact with that person just to kind of understand what they're looking for, what the colours are. You know, this is just an example, but you know, what kind of style they want, just specifics, you know, and those are the things that matter, because any little mistakes, you're going to have to do a revision, aren't you? You're going to have to do a revision, then it's going to come back, then you're going to have to wait a few days to get it done, then you get a negative review, and then there you go, that's one unhappy customer. And it's always that one unhappy customer that makes it's that 1%, you know. 100%, it has to be 100% all the time. You can't have 99%. I know realistically that does happen, but it's that 1% that ruins it. Not ruins it, but just like it puts the dent in the car. Do you know what I mean? It's not it's not what you want. So yeah, moving on, because I feel like I'm gibbering on. This was just a quick video anyway, just to let you guys know that there is ways to make money from home. Like myself, been doing this for 5 years now. It pays my rent, it pays my bills, I drive a nice car. So yeah, I mean, it can happen to you too. Get on Fiverr, get on there, make things happen. You won't be sorry.